Welcome to Omasae, where we celebrate calm living, natural beauty, and thoughtful seasonal decor that transforms everyday spaces into something truly special. In this video, we explore how simple dry branches can become elegant winter decor that makes your porch and garden feel warm, stylish, and inviting even during the coldest months. Winter doesn't have to feel bare or lifeless, and nature offers us some of the most beautiful materials when we take a closer look. Dry branches bring texture, movement, and quiet drama that perfectly suits the winter season. Their organic shapes create interest without overpowering your space, allowing the home and garden to breathe visually. Throughout this video, you'll see how minimal effort and intentional placement can make a big impact. These ideas focus on balance, simplicity, and timeless style, rather than trends that fade quickly. Each decor approach is designed to feel natural and effortless, blending seamlessly with your surroundings. If you enjoy peaceful outdoor spaces and meaningful decor ideas, you're in the right place. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to Omasae for more seasonal inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments as you watch. Let's begin this winter journey by turning overlooked branches into beautiful statements of warmth and calm. Statement branch arrangements near the porch entrance create an immediate sense of welcome and quiet elegance. Tall dry branches placed in woven baskets, wooden crates, or classic urns naturally draw the eye upward, adding height and structure to your outdoor space. These containers introduce texture and warmth that balance the stark beauty of winter branches. Woven baskets soften the look with their organic fibers, while wooden crates bring rustic character and history. Classic urns offer a refined, architectural feel that pairs beautifully with traditional or modern homes alike. The branches themselves provide sculptural interest, their curves and angles creating a sense of movement even when everything else feels still. Choosing branches of varying thickness adds depth and prevents the arrangement from looking flat. Keeping the color palette neutral allows the natural beauty of the materials to shine. This style feels intentional yet effortless, as if nature arranged it on its own. Positioned on either side of a door or along the porch edge, these displays frame the entryway beautifully. They make the space feel cared for without appearing overly decorated. This approach works well throughout the entire winter season, transitioning seamlessly from early cold days to late winter calm. The result is a porch that feels grounded, welcoming, and quietly sophisticated. Rustic branch bundles offer a simple yet powerful way to decorate without containers or complex setups. By tying branches together with jute twine or burlap ribbon, you create cohesive forms that feel intentional and grounded. Leaning these bundles against porch columns, fences, or stone walls adds vertical interest and texture. The materials work together harmoniously, reinforcing a natural, earthy aesthetic. This method celebrates imperfection, allowing uneven lengths and varied textures to shine. The bundles feel cozy and authentic, as if gathered during a quiet walk. Their simplicity makes them adaptable to many styles, from farmhouse to modern rustic. They can be placed individually or grouped for a stronger visual statement. The neutral tones blend seamlessly with winter surroundings. These arrangements are easy to adjust and move as needed. Over time, they develop character through exposure to the elements. They don't demand attention, but reward close observation. This style brings warmth through restraint rather than excess. The result is decor that feels honest, calm, and timeless. Creating a winter branch centerpiece allows you to anchor your outdoor decor with intention. Arranging dry branches on benches, low garden walls, or entry tables establishes a clear focal point. Accents like pine cones, lanterns, or evergreen cuttings add contrast and seasonal depth. These elements work together to create layered textures that feel rich yet balanced. The branches provide height and movement, while the accents ground the arrangement visually. Lanterns introduce warmth and a sense of shelter, especially during evening hours. Evergreen cuttings add subtle color and softness against the bare wood. Pine cones bring natural detail and seasonal familiarity. This approach encourages thoughtful placement rather than abundance. Each element has space to be seen and appreciated. The display feels curated but not formal. It invites pause and reflection. These centerpieces work beautifully throughout winter, adapting easily with small changes. The overall mood is refined, welcoming, and quietly celebratory. Garden paths often lose definition in winter, but dry branch groupings can restore structure and visual rhythm. Securing branches directly into soil or gravel along pathways creates a natural guide for the eye and the feet. These groupings feel understated yet purposeful, enhancing the landscape without overwhelming it. The silhouettes of bare branches stand out beautifully against winter ground tones. When placed thoughtfully, they create gentle repetition that brings harmony to the space. This technique highlights the shape of the path while adding a seasonal accent that feels organic. Branches of varying heights introduce movement and prevent the layout from looking too rigid. Spacing them irregularly keeps the look relaxed and natural. This approach works especially well near entryways, gates, or fence lines where structure is needed most. The branches catch light differently throughout the day, adding subtle visual interest. In the quiet of winter, these forms bring presence without noise. They honor the season rather than trying to disguise it. Over time, they weather gracefully, blending even more into the landscape. The result is a garden that feels intentional, calm, and quietly alive. Lighting plays a powerful role in winter decor, and dry branches offer a perfect foundation for soft illumination. Wrapping branches with warm white fairy lights adds a gentle glow that instantly transforms outdoor spaces. The light highlights the natural textures of the wood, creating depth and warmth after sunset. Positioned along porch railings, garden walls, or against tree trunks, these features feel magical yet understated. The key is subtlety, allowing the light to enhance rather than dominate. Warm tones feel especially comforting against the cool winter air. The branches act as natural light sculptures, drawing attention without harsh brightness. This technique extends the enjoyment of outdoor spaces into the evening hours. It encourages lingering moments on the porch or quiet walks through the garden. The glow creates a welcoming atmosphere that feels safe and serene. It also brings visual continuity between indoor warmth and outdoor calm. Even simple branch arrangements become focal points once illuminated. This approach requires minimal materials but delivers maximum ambience. The overall effect is peaceful, refined, and deeply inviting. As we come to the end of this video, we hope you feel inspired to see dry branches as more than seasonal debris. They are quiet design elements that carry texture, movement, and meaning into winter spaces. With thoughtful placement and simple materials, they transform porches and gardens into calm, inviting environments. Each idea shared today focuses on balance, restraint, and respect for the season. Winter decor doesn't need to be loud to be beautiful. Sometimes, the most impactful designs are the quiet ones. These dry branch creations invite stillness and appreciation for natural forms. They remind us that beauty exists even in simplicity. If you enjoyed this video, please like it to support the channel. Subscribe to Omasae for more seasonal decor ideas rooted in calm living. We'd love to hear which idea inspired you most, so leave a comment below. Thank you for spending this time with us, and may your winter porch and garden feel warm, peaceful, and beautifully alive.